Hello students, today we'll do this question. In this one, find the area of the following. If ABCD is a square whose side is 10 centimeter, we have to find the area of shaded region and unshaded region also. So see here, this is a square. So what we'll have to do, we will draw a perpendicular from here. So in this case, because the side of the square is 10 centimeter, that's why. Now you can see, if you divide this portion, or you can see it is a petal of a flower. If you divide in half portion, this part is in fact segment. So we can find the area of segment by using the formula. Here radius will be half of the side of that square, so that will be 5 centimeter, and here angle is 90 degree. So you all know that area of shaded region, that will be the area of segment, and area of segment's formula is theta by 360 degree into pi r square minus 1 upon 2 r square sin theta, and we will multiply it by 8 if you want to get the area of this full shaded region. You can see here, in one petal we have two parts, so 2 into 4, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, so total 8 parts are there. If you want to find the area of total shaded region, you first find the area of one segment and multiply it by 8, then you will get total area of shaded region. So same I have done here. Now see, we will put the values. Theta is 90 by 360 into pi's value they have given 3.14. You can see here they have given pi is equal to 3.14 and radius is 5, so 5 into 5. When you remove the point, in the denominator you will write 100, and here minus 1 by 2 into r, that is 5 into 5 into sin 90 degree into 8. Now when you cancel, after cancellation 157 by 8 is coming. You can do cancellation yourself. Minus 1 by 2, 5 into 5 will be 25. Sin 90 will be equal to 1 into 8. Thereafter, when you calculate, you will get 157 upon 8 minus 25 by 2 into 8. When you solve, LCM of 8 and 2 will be 8. After solution, you will get 157 minus 100. And when you solve, 157 minus 100, 57 upon 8 will come. So this 8 will be cancelled. So 57 centimeter square area of the shaded region we got. Now for unshaded region, if you subtract the area of this shaded region from the area of square, you will able to get the area of unshaded region. For that purpose, we will write area of square minus area of shaded region. Now we know that area of shaded region, for getting area of shaded region, we will have to find the area of square, that is side into side minus area of shaded region, which we have calculated already. So here side we have 10 into 10, 100 minus 57 is equal to 43 centimeter. That is the area of shaded region. So I think you understood this question. Thank you, students.